Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to use me and my friend's website, CryptoMail, .neocities.org. You can go there if you want to send an email anonymously, or however, if you want to send it anonymously. And so what you're going to do is you're going to want to click don't mind that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to click email us here. And so see here I've got example email, and so what you're gonna want to do is hit compose, and you're gonna type it to CryptoMail@gmail.com. And the subject, you're just gonna want to make it to your friend's email at Outlook, whatever, really, it doesn't matter. And then what you're gonna want to put is your message. You're just gonna write down, and then at the bottom you can say from your name, or you can put, you don't even have to put your name, and we will, but actually, I'm sorry, I messed up. You're gonna want to put that, but then you're gonna go back and you're gonna click this, and it's gonna say convert your email here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna type in your message, and you see this down here. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna copy this, and then so you're gonna have the binary, and you're gonna send it to us. You can send it whenever, doesn't matter. And don't forget, it's CryptoMail. CryptoMail was taken. And once you do that, what you're gonna want to do is really, that's all. You just wait, and wait for someone to pick it up and fix it. And so this video will be right here in the actual website. And thank you for watching. That was a tutorial on how to use CryptoMail.neocities.org. Bye.